Good day, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to get an Anthropic Claude API key. So first, you need to open your favorite web browser, then go to console.anthropic, type in console.anthropic and hit enter on your keyboard. Now tap on this platform.claude.com. You'll be prompted to log in or sign up. Go ahead and log into your specific account. Go through the on-screen instructions, select individual, and you can skip the purchase for now. From the dashboard, you need to go ahead and select API keys, that is between dashboard and the build option. Go ahead and select it. Now under create an API key, select create key in the right-hand side. Go ahead and give your key a name. For example, test. Then select add, which is highlighted in black color. Now select copy key. Your API key will now be generated. Click on copy key and store it in a secure place like a password manager or a secure note. You won't be able to see it again later. And also do not share your API key with anyone as it grants access to your account. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.